Replacing the lock on your Halo sign-in system. For this task you will need the following. Your sign-in system enclosure. This can be left in situ and does not need to be removed. The key for the enclosure. The replacement lock. And a 14mm spanner. Use your key to unlock the enclosure. If your lock does not function and is unlocked already, you can skip this step. Remove the faceplate from the enclosure. Using the 14mm spanner, loosen the nut on the end of the lock. Once it has been loosened, you should be able to unwind it using your fingers. Remove the lock by pushing it towards the outside of the enclosure. It may feel a little stiff but should come out without too much effort. To fit the new lock, first remove the nut. Then slide the lock barrel through the hole in the side of the enclosure. Tighten the nut with your fingers to begin with, then secure it, using the 14mm spanner. The faceplate should now fit back onto the enclosure. Ensure you have unlocked the case in order for it to close. Once the faceplate is flush, push the pin on the lock to lock it closed.